Hi, hope so you are doing well. Today I am presenting the topic sustainability business practices and their impact on brand image. Like how sustainability practices followed by a company, a brand can make them a good brand and their impact on the brand image. So, what is sustainability? First of all, I will explain what is the sustainability. It is doing the business in the way that does not harm our environment and support the long-term growth. This is and why companies shift to eco-friendly operations, link between sustainability and brand perception, rising customer demand for responsible business. Like when a company is following the all the procedures that are not harming our environment, rather than harming, it is supporting our environment for growth, then this practice is being used and being adopted from the from the company, a brand. Then this is making a sustainable brand. And due to climate change, due to many other factors which are disturbing our environment, companies have to shift their procedure and operations to the eco friendly. There is a very clear link between sustainability and brand perception. Like people know this brand is following the eco-friendly procedures, then they prioritize that brand. So customer and consumers are very well aware of this. What are the sustainable practices? What is the practice? This reduce environmental harm, improve social responsibility, using resources efficiently like renewable energy, eco-friendly packaging, biodegradable packaging, uh, prioritizing the biodegradable plastic over the plastic, and recycling the material, reuse and recycle that material can make the can include the sustainable practices of a business. So why sustainability today matters? Because it is the need of the hours. It is not concern of and of a single country and a single nation. It is not bound to a country. It is the worldwide problem that today our climate change is very alarming for all of us. Even that the earth is at alarming situation by the climate change, and that's why every government is regulating rules and regulation to adopt the sustainability practices. And the most important thing, our end consumer is very well aware of this, like when a brand is following sustainable practices or not. So obviously when these concerns are being observed, then investor also look for this, because he don't want to invest in any company which is like not following the rule, and which is a danger and for the climate. So he would not invest in that company. So investor is are also preferring the those brands who are practicing the sustainability practices. Link, what is the link between sustainability and brand image? Build brand sustainability practices builds the customer trust. They win the trust of the customers, and they improve the reputations of their brand in the other competitors. Like end consumer trust and value that brand very well as compared to the other competitors. So when they won the trust of the consumer, then it turns into the loyalty. Customer repeatedly use that product, then become the end consumer a loyal customer. So when these practices are being followed, obviously that brand is being differentiated from the other competitors. How sustainability improves brand image? When a well-known brand is showing their process very with very transparency, and presenting like they are following all the sustainability practices. Then due to this transparency, brand wins the trust. And when they show ethically sources, we are using the uh, good practices, and resources are our eco-friendly, then they bring a positive image to the customer and in the market. And eco-friendly products make customer loyal, and ultimately those customer advertise your advertised that brand, like they recommend to the other consumer as well. So it is a free advertising. Waste reduction results also in cost saving and goodwills, and community projects build also strong reputation. Real world examples like Nike recycled their material, improved brand perceptions. Starbucks removed the plastic straws from their all over the world. They follow this practice by removing the plastic straws. Tesla is very well known brand. This brand is strongest global green brand image. Brand damage for not for being sustainable. Excessive plastic usage, oil companies facing criticism, like those companies who are using excessive plastic usage. And companies are also facing criticism. They are losing their trust over the end consumer. They are losing their reputation in the market, and obviously their shares and sales are also being decreased. Benefits of sustainability: more consumer and loyalty, better public reputation. So, what are the benefits of sustainability? More customers and loyalties. When a company and a brand is following those practices, obviously more customer will come, and they will become turn ultimately into loyal customers. And better public reputation. Obviously, one customer is recommending the other customer same brand, and it become a chain of the customer. And free advertisement and a public reputation, long-term profitability, and employee satisfaction. The employees, those are working in that brand and that company, they are also satisfied by like they are working in a well-known and well-reputed brand. So investor also support those brand who are using the sustainability practices. Challenges in the implementing of sustainability. Although these are the benefits, still they are challenging for in this era. Like what is the challenges? High initial cost, like to follow the sustainability practices. It is a high initial cost because they have to change their technology, they have to change their supply chain, they have to train their employees for new technologies, and risk of greenwashing accusations. So these are all the factors which are being challenges for the implementing of sustainability. Avoiding greenwashing, provide real data, and show certifications, transparent reporting, avoid exaggerated claims. So this was our topic, and conclusion is sustainability is essential, not optional, and strong sustainable practices make strong brand image. Future consumers prefer in ethical brands.